Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and unlocking your device so the call log can show complete details. Open the phone or call log app and tap the Calls tab to load recent entries. This gives a clear place to work. Once done, use the filter control to show missed, received, or dialed calls so you don't scroll endlessly. Make sure to allow contact access if you want names instead of numbers. This makes identification faster and actions like callback immediate. You now inspect individual entries to decide what to do. Tap 1 to reveal the number, time, duration, and any linked contact details so you understand context. From there, choose a quick action like callback, send a message, add the number to contacts, or block unwanted callers. Once you know what you need, select multiple entries if you want to delete or export them in bulk. This saves time when cleaning up call history or compiling a list for follow-up. You finish by clearing or archiving calls you've handled so the list stays useful and not cluttered. This helps prioritize future actions. If you require backups or detailed records, enable call recording or cloud sync and confirm storage location. Make sure to test by placing a quick call and verifying it appears. If entries are missing or not updating, check app permissions, account sync settings, and available storage. These are the common fixes that restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.